Hello everyone and welcome to Wild Rose Haven Homesteading, and today is going to be dog nail grinding product testing time. And this is the first one, which is the professional dog nail grinder versus the non-professional dog. Well, it doesn't have professional on the label, so we'll be trying these two products out on our dog Ziggy. This is Ziggy. We've had her for a long time. She came to us with dog nail trimming trauma, and we've been working with her for like almost 3 or 4 years now. So we're hoping that one of these two products are going to work for her to be able to trim all of her nails in one sitting. So stay tuned to the end of this video and see if we'll manage to do that. Homesteading. Hello everyone, so we're going to start out with the GHG, the non-professional dog grinder, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing for you. It's just, like any unboxing, it's well sealed, this one, and it has everything in its kit. This particular dog nail grinder also comes with the dog nail hand trimmer, so that was one of the reasons why we went ahead and, or I went ahead and chose this particular kit, because of the combination of the two. Uh, in our situation that we're going to be using this dog nail grinder for, it is what we needed. We needed to have the hand manual one because her nails are so long, due to the fact that we had to let them grow a little bit longer so we can trim her nails. Or that's pretty much as close as she would let us get to the quick. So, i.e., we had to incorporate the dog nail grinder to see if we can get them shortened up, um, without her freaking out so bad. So we're hoping that not only are we going to be trying these two products out, but we're going to find one that's going to really work to help us get her nails in the condition that they need to be in, or the position that they need to be in, so she won't have issues with flocking that she's been having, because they have to stay long up to this point. So everything's in this kit. It's nicely packed, and we were happy with all of that. Now we have to find out how well it works compared to the professional one. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about this particular grinder is how quiet it is and how she is not reacting to it. So that is a really good sign for me, as far as hoping that she's not going to feel so panicked while I start working on her nails. I am so sorry, y'all, because I just realized just how bad I had positioned the camera while doing this video. So I assure you, I am grinding her nails, and doing this myself. I'm so sorry for not being able to have the camera in the right angle so you can see right here how this particular product is working. But you can see the dust flying, so that lets you know that this grinder is working on her nails. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is that it has the sound of the grinder is a little bit louder to me. It sounds a little bit louder to me, and it sounds a little bit slower. So hopefully there's, hopefully there's enough charge in it. Let's think about that. But what is different about the professional grinder versus the one that doesn't say professional on it? What can you see the difference? I can see a difference. Just seeing the difference. And it also only has like a couple of speeds as well, which I wasn't too happy about. But what I'm the most unhappy about is the fact that look at that. I'll tell you what, advertising, advertising. All right, so comment down below if you can tell me what you see is the difference between this nail grinder and the professional nail grinder. I can see a difference. Can you see the obvious difference? All right, you guys, so at this point, I want to tell you how excited I am about the fact that we are able to get her nails. We've gotten 2 of her nails cut back as far as we have just within this little demonstration here with these 2 particular products. So that makes me much happier about the fact that we found something that we can use on her nails where she's not in a complete panic right now. And you can see how long her nails are. So she desperately really needed to have this tool to help us get her nails to where they need to be, for her feet to be at a healthier stance, and they probably won't hurt so bad when she walks around. So we're going ahead and go trimming her nails back as far as I have been able to at this point. I mean, she would not let me get anywhere near her quick, which I completely understand that once that happens, it's really hard, and she's proof to the pudding to help a dog get over that sort of trauma. So I've always had to clip her nails pretty long up until this point. So this is the shortest I've been able to get her nails since we've had her here at our home. And I'm really happy that she's allowing us to even trim her nails how they are now, get them trimmed up as much as we are able to, without her going into a freak out session. She's doing so well. It's been something that Mr. Rose and I have been working on for a long time, and it has taken the both of us to be able to do that. So I'm super grateful that Mr. Rose has helped me keep her calm while I've had to do the hard work of being able to trim her nails and not get them caught up or anything else to help, to make her panic anymore. And the combination of us doing this together, helping her get over to this point in time, it's so exciting. And I don't know for some of you, but it actually tears me up when I was able to finally accomplish this goal with him, with all of us. I mean, it was for her. It's just I'm so happy, so relieved. It's taken us a long time to get this point, and you can see where she's kind of squirming here a little bit. It was way worse than that. It was just like we only could do one nail and she had to be off. That was it. That's what we've been doing, this one nail at a time to this point. So super excited, and I'm super grateful that we found I finally found a tool that's going to be able to hopefully get her completely over this nail trimming trauma issue.
Okay. The nail file. Settle down. Settle down. She's doing good. That's the first. We almost got them all clipped. Go. Good girl. Go. I know that scares you. That's fine. She's so good. Yes. We have one more to clip, and then we can use it. We can use the one that's not scary. Okay. He's got so long. Let's get your long ones. Let's just get your long ones. Okay. Okay. I see it's sore. I see it's sore.
No. Good girl. Good girl. Shh. No.
Nope, you gotta stay still. Sit.
Ziggy. Ziggy.
Hold on. Oh no. I'm just gonna have to do this one because it's curled under, and if I try to snip it, I might snip her skin. Okay.
Good.
Look, this one done. There you go. There. There you go. See, you got it. There, see, it doesn't hurt. Okay. Good
Is that it?
girl.
Yes.
Huh?
Stop, Ziggy. Stop.
Whoa.
Is that it?
No, I gotta do the rest of her toes still. But that's it for that one, yeah.
I got one more foot to do.
No, we gotta do them all still. You won't let me put it. Short to be able to get her nails.
You're fine.
Yeah, I know. You're not used to your nails being cut this short.
You're fine.
Good.
Go.
So a quick tip when using the nail grinder towards the quick of the dog nail, in case you cannot see the quick of the dog nail as well, one of the things that I learned is that when you get close to that pink quick, that your dog will naturally want to draw its paw away from the grinder a bit more than usual. Like right now, you can see she's not really moving it away from the grinder as much now, so that she feels more comfortable. But as I get closer to the quick, then she's going to start pulling or tugging her paw away, and that lets you know that you're getting pretty close to the quick, and then you should just go ahead and you're pretty much done trimming the nail at that point. Well, unfortunately, after this break, we couldn't do her nails anymore, but that was as much as we could get done, and we were able to get 3 out of the 4 paws cut as short or almost to a normal length, which is completely amazing. Alright, you guys. So as you can see that even though this nail grinder has been recharged, and it sounds like it's going a little bit faster, it still just does not. I don't care how professional the label it said on the box was grinding her nails like a professional nail grinder compared to the GHG one. So I have to say that between these two nail grinders, the professional one did not work like a professional tool should. So that being said, I would go ahead and I would use the GHG grinder over this one, and I mean, it basically doesn't want to work. It doesn't work, and so I have retired this particular nail grinder, and I am using the GHG dog nail
You
grinder.
don't want to do that.
Now, unfortunately, they do not have that nail grinder available, so I do have a link down below that's comparable to the grinder that I prefer in this video. I can't say if that nail grinder is as good as the one that I'm using right now. I am still looking for another one, but for now, GHG was the best nail grinding kit, dog nail grinder kit that I found, and I am still currently using at the moment. So I just want to let you know that that's the result from this video as far as how well these two particular dog nail grinders work for our dog Ziggy. So of course, the next thing I had to do is I had to finally try and see if I can manage to clip her nails all by myself. And so this is what I'm going to be showing you, just a little teeny tiny clip right here of this another video that I have created just to see if I can manage to do all of her nails in one sitting on my own. And if you want to see the rest of this video, then check it out at the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of dog nail grinders, and hopefully this is something that can work for you if you're having issues with a dog who has dog nail trauma like Ziggy does here in this video. And this is what has helped us get her to the point where you can see her sitting in my lap right now as I'm working with her nails all by myself. So this is a huge deal, and watch it at the end of this video. Take care. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven where we're doing it. I was saying.